What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, like the video. I just want to say welcome back. If this is your first time viewing the channel, it's a lot of barber content, but specifically today, in today's video, I got an unboxing of some items that I just received. If you haven't, in my last video, I just got a MacBook Pro. So with getting a MacBook Pro, I had to get some accessories.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
So those new accessories that I did get, I got off of Amazon. I ordered an adapter for a USB, extra USB ports, SD card reader. I ordered a microphone, and I also ordered a webcam that records 1080p, just so that we can get more content out, reaction videos, stuff like that, make things a little bit more easier. Also get some more clarity for the voiceovers on my tutorials. But let's go ahead and dive into the boxes. Well, for another one of the boxes that I did get was also from Fort Worth Barber Supply. They sent me some shave gel, I believe, to try out, give people at the shop to try out. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what they sent me from there as well. So shout out to Fort Worth Barber Supply. They stay hooking your boy up. They stay giving me free samples. Anytime I need something, they take care of it. They get it to me ASAP, no Rocky. So, you know, just shout out to Fort Worth Barber Supply. If you're not following them on Instagram, go on IG at Fort Worth, well, at FW Barber Supply. I'll tag it down here or somewhere in this video to where you can go and see that in the description on where you can go find those items on Amazon. And further on down the line, after some usage, I will go ahead and fill you all in on what I think about it and how I think it operates. But other than that, let's go ahead and dive into these boxes. I got one from Fort Worth Barber Supply. Got me set up with a little nice package. We're gonna go ahead and open this, and after we open this up, we'll go ahead and open up the accessories that I got for the MacBook Pro. But I am curious to see what they did send me. I know it was some shave gel, or something else, but you know, who knows? They might have sent more goodies, but we'll find out here. It's always a struggle to get boxes open for me. I don't know why. Need to hit the gym even more. This right here is a serious tape job. I'm really excited to open these boxes. What was it? They've been sitting in my truck since Friday. It's Sunday evening, but I really wanted to record this video and let y'all see what I got. Let y'all into my life a little bit and just the daily things that I be doing. So shout out to everybody who's tuning in, logging in for these vlogs and these videos. I really appreciate everybody's support. But I think we got this box just about open. All right. Now, look at that right there. Very, very secure. Let's go ahead and get in here. Let's see what we got. There's one and two. Yeah, here's what we got here. So two types of shave gels. One of them, the company had reached out to me before, but I didn't really, you know, give it a chance. But Fort Worth Barber Supply ended up sending it to me. It's a spray and shave spray. Now there is the bottle there, as you can see. Very professional presentation. You can see right there has their handle, also the hashtag you can find their equipment on, and also a lot of the ingredients that they use for their products. So the biggest thing for this right here is it contains CBD oil. So this contains CBD to calm the skin. So we will try this out on some clients and see how this works, how the CBD feels for them. You know, CBD is a huge, you know, thing in society now. It helps. So they have like muscle rubs, they have all types of stuff to help people out. I myself have not used any of that stuff before, but we'll see how this works out. And if you're not following at Spray and Shave. Go on Instagram, go follow at Spray and Shave. And I'll let y'all in on how I feel about this product after I use it in the shop a little bit. So shout out to them for sending that to me. And also they sent me, if you're not following on Instagram either, at I Love Being a Barber. They also have a page on Facebook, you can go follow too. But this is the presentation for that one there. All the ingredients on the back. So very professional. Even got a SKU code on there. So, yeah. So after I use this as well in the shop, I will let you guys in on how I feel about it. I'm not too sure what it's gonna be like, but let's check out what it smells like. Yo, that one smells good right there. That's like a peppermint. This has to be. There's got to be peppermint in there. Yep, peppermint. That smells good. I bet that feels good on the skin too. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this one right here. But let me smell the other one too. All right, let's see. Not a huge scent to this one, but I mean, maybe what it lacks in scent, you know, it'll shine, you know, when we're shaving and be a real smooth shave. But those are the two the spray shaves I got, or shave oils, or I don't even know what to describe them. You spray them on the client's cheeks and you shave it. So those are the two I got from Forward Barber Supply. Shout out to Forward Barber Supply. Again, if you're not following them, go follow them on Instagram at FW Barber Supply. They'll take care of you, guarantee it. But let's get to the main gist of this video, which is going to be unboxing some stuff I got for the MacBook Pro. So I'm new to the MacBook Pro. I'm still trying to figure things out. So, but other than that, let's see what we got. Now Amazon keeps it easy. You just tear the little perforated edge and open it up. So first off here, we got the, I think it's pronounced TONOR. So we got the TONOR TC777 USB condenser microphone. So you can see there the packaging. Also have a SKU code on the back, contact information on where you can reach their support, the company website, and we also got Spider-Man in the building. Say what's up. What's your name?
My name is Mr. Wayne.
I thought you were Peter Parker. Say goodnight, YouTube.
Good night.
Say goodnight, YouTube.
Good night, YouTube.
Yeah. But as I was saying, we have the support contact information. You can reach them at the company website. Also have all of your microphone specifications on the back end right there, so if you can see that. Also comes with a 2-year warranty. So I read the reviews on this microphone on Amazon. There was 17,778 reviews and 4.5 stars. So I'm really guessing that this is gonna be a good investment, a good tool to use. It's very compact, so that was the biggest thing that, you know, caught my eye as well. It seems very professional and everything as well. A lot more information on the back, but let's go ahead and open this one and see what we got in here. So just a little bit of tape here, and there's the contents of what we got there. I'll just take everything out and show you guys here. So as you can see here, we got the instruction manual. Shows you how to install everything onto your computer, whatever you're using. Very broken down, different languages. It's got a lot of pages, so it really fills you in on what you need to do. So there's that. Then we also have the 2-year warranty card for the product. So that right there is super key. So we can go ahead and send that back if anything does happen. And then last but not least, we have our mic. Now the mic here comes with a little cover for the actual microphone. And And there's that right there, so you can see. I like the color, matches my phone. But yeah, this slides right into this little, there's little rubber pieces, rubber like string or bands right there. And the mic kind of just fits right in there. And then the stand, it'll come down just like that. And you can spread the tripod legs to however you need to have it standing up. So that's looking nice right there. Then you have your pop filter you can throw in front of the mic, however you want to adjust that right there. So I'm really digging the microphone. That's pretty dope. So we're gonna go ahead and use this for some voiceovers and really get this thing started, get some more clarity on the sound. Lately, I've just been using my AirPods, or I use like the ones you plug into your phone. So that's what I've been using for the past 2 years for my voiceovers. So this is gonna be a little bit different. You know, it's nice to finally get, you know, a mic to go ahead and use for these voiceovers. So other than that, that's everything that comes with that. And eventually I'll let you guys know how I feel about this and what it sounds like and all that. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the next items that I got for the computer, or for the Mac, and we'll move on with this unboxing session. Now the next thing I got is going to be a webcam. Now I also looked at all the reviews on the webcam as well, and a lot of these things that I'm buying are very economical. Overall, I spent $100 for the 3 items that I bought from Amazon, including the mic, the webcam, and also the adapter for the SD reader and the extra USB ports and stuff like that. But this is the microphone right here. The brand is Nexigo, and it's the N930AF autofocus HD webcam. So there's the webcam right there. It shows you right here 1080p, plug and play, autofocus. This has a microphone installed already with the webcam, but I went ahead and got the microphone to do the voiceover stuff as well. But I'm going to get this open and show you this as well. So before I go ahead and open this up, it also says that it's perfect for live streaming, video chatting, gaming, and conference. Has a 180 webcam clip, a tripod ready design, plug and play, free driver, 360 webcam rotation, as you can see, all that information there. And it also has all of your technical specifications on the back, so you can go ahead and read those. And yeah, so let's go ahead and open the box. So first off, we have a webcam cover, protect your privacy. So, you know, hackers aren't trying to just peek through your webcam and try to see what you're up to. But also got a card with all of the support numbers for the company. So if you ever have anything wrong with the webcam, you can go ahead and get a hold of them. And then you have your user manual. So the biggest thing with these things is that the user manuals are very, very detailed. This has a lot of pages of information, and the font is super small. So you know that they're giving you all the information you need. But like they said, plug and play. So here is the webcam here. USB. I'm going to take it out of a little package. And if you could hear in the background, I got stuff in the dryer, and that's the noise you hear rolling around in the background. I apologize for that if that has been on the back of your mind and you hear that, but that's what that is. But here's the webcam. Let me take this little tie off here. Alrighty, so long cord. Now there's the webcam. So this will sit right on top of the back of your monitor, your screen, your display, and you could plug this into a tripod at the bottom, as you can see there. So if I wanted to plug this on top of the ring light, I could throw it up there. And it has a lot of tension in here, so it'll sit well on your computer. And then there's the webcam, and you can turn it whatever direction you need to turn it. And then with that, it'll just sit on top of your your monitor like so, and we could adjust this back portion to sit a little more snug. So it'll sit just like that right there. And you can adjust the cam to however you need to adjust it. So that's pretty dope. So shout out to Nexigo. Great reviews for that as well. I'll leave a link in the description of where I got this stuff, like I said. But that's the next item, and then we'll get on to the last item I got for the Mac. So last but not least, out of all this stuff I got, this was an adapter that I got for my computer. I'll go ahead and get this plastic off and open it up here. All right, let's see. Now, with the Mac, there's 2 ports where you can plug stuff in and be able to use it. And the ports are right here on the side, as you can see. And so with that, I had to get an adapter, as you can see there. So these 2 portions of this adapter plug into the side of the Mac, and it allows you to use all these other areas, you know. So what it includes is going to be the USB 3.0 SD card reader, micro SD card reader. It's gray, 50 grams is the weight. Has all the specs on the back of it here. It's compatible with the MacBook Pro 2020, which is what I have here. So we'll go ahead and open this up. I think it matches the color of the computer, so that's pretty cool. So also in this box, we have the customer service for this company if you ever need to get a hold of them for anything. So it says 24-hour online replying, 30-day money-back guarantee, 180-day limited product warranty, and yeah, so this is the same color as the Mac, so color matching that's pretty cool, and it's about the same thickness as the Mac as well. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in here and see how it fits. I might have to, now that fits perfect. So you can see that right there, how it fits. Fits nice and snug. But yeah, other than that, that is all the stuff that I got for my MacBook Pro, and also included was the stuff I got from Barber Supply. But I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video, for checking out everything that I got from Amazon, from Barber Supply, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, like the video, and like I said, I will leave in the descriptions everything that I showed you here. I'll leave a link on where you can go get that for yourself. Other than that, I appreciate everybody for watching this video, and until next time, God bless.